Welcome to Super Stuff Unboxed. Hello and welcome to another episode of Super Stuff Unboxed. Today we're going to be opening this DC Multiverse Harley Quinn. Miss Harley Quinn is from the Birds of Prey movie. She's DC Multiverse, so she's got great articulation, great sculpt and detail. This one has a great accessory for Harley Quinn because it comes with a mallet. If you're into the movie, it comes with a little worm sandwich, which is something she's really into in that movie. Since it's a DC Multiverse, you're going to get the stand, the collector card. There's going to be some snipping involved in the unboxing. And it looks like she's got roller skates from that like roller skating car chase fight scene type thing that she was doing in the movie. So a super cool character. I am really excited to get this unboxed. So here we go. Let's go. All right, since this character is a DC Multiverse, we are going to cut through one little piece of tape on the bottom and try to get a perfect slide out of what's inside. All right, I'm gonna pull the flaps. All right, here we go. All right, encasing. Wow, how smooth was that? All right, this character has amazing detail. Ooh, I love how shiny the gold is. Can't wait to find out exactly how this costume works. But first, let's just deal with the classics. We've got this little black circle since it's a DC Multiverse, so let's... Okay, that's not how I envisioned it. Okay, card first, I guess. Harley Quinn. This card is of the figure, not the movie character. No Margot Robbie here. Wow, look at how empty that looks. Real name, Dr. Harleen Quinzel. All right, cool. All right, black circle. There we go. Oh, all right, awesome. And let's start with this little sandwich. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, holy cow. Wow. Awesome, super cool. Next, let's get this mallet out. Oh, yes. Awesome. This is what you want. Boom. 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 Yes. Perfect. This mallet looks like it will go with a lot of different looking Harleys too. All right. It looks like there is just one little snip. Use my gold scissors. Look at how well that works. That works. Ooh. All right, Harley. Let's see what you're all about. Oh, the shiny gold is awesome. The DC Multiverse, you know, it's quality. Oh, look at the shoulder. Oh, awesome. She's acrobatic, so great. Now, the thing about shoulder articulation like this is usually that's to help you get things like this, straps down. So yeah, look at this. She can have the straps hang down. And this is exactly why I do these unboxing videos, so you may not have seen her look like this online anywhere before. Sweet. Oh my gosh. And for the first time, how is this gonna work out? No extra hands. Oh, and slide it down to the thick meaty part.
Oh, all right, Puddin'. I think we're ready. We're ready to show these real boys what we can handle, what we're all about, aren't we? Yeah, Puddin', I think we got this.
Okay, that's my Harleen. That's my Harley Quinn. So, folding this down in the back. Yeah, anyway, I like it. I like the character. Super cool. Classic tattoos. Oh, what about the skates? How about now? Nothing on the wheels. Ankle. Okay. Hey, I hope you like this character. I certainly do. I love the shiny gold. I love the accessory. I love the fact that you can change up having those shoulder straps come down. Just an absolutely amazing character at an absolutely discount price. So, get your hands on one if you're a fan of Harley. Hey, thanks for watching Super Stuff Unboxed. We'll catch you next time. Let's take some pics!